Another Tuesday afternoon, the rain is playing a familiar tune upon my window, soft and low. A perfect backdrop for the show where I pretend I'm not aware that you might never really care, but I don't mind the waiting game. I play it well underneath your quiet spell. If I'm a story you won't tell, then I'll just keep it to myself. Yeah, I don't mind the waiting game, 'cause waiting for you feels the same as sun after weeks of rain. You drop your book here on my floor, a new excuse to see you more. We talk for hours, then you leave a tangled little web you weave, and I just help you spin flowers in every word you said. But I don't mind the waiting game. I play it well underneath your quiet spell. If I'm a story you won't tell, and I'll just keep it to myself. Yeah, I don't mind the waiting game, 'cause waiting for you feels the same. Yeah, sunlight after we